What's up guys? So in this video I'm going to review my new condenser microphone from CAD U37. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is the microphone, you can see guys, and I bought this microphone from Amazon.in for rupees 4,400, and let me show you the box. So this is the box, and the price quoted on the box is 5,300, but you can get this microphone for 4,400. And with the microphone you'll be getting this tripod stand to hold the microphone, and you'll be getting USB cable. So this is the USB microphone. So you need to just plug this USB to your computer and then you're good to go. And for 4,400 rupees, I guess this is one of the best microphone out there, because other condenser microphone required phantom power, so you need to purchase the audio interface for that, but with this microphone you can just plug to your computer and then you can record anything you want. So you can see the microphone guys. The microphone is made out of plastic, so this is plastic, so the outer body is plastic, and you can see the CAD U37 written on here, and you have a LED light over here which blinks when you start recording, and you have two switches over here. So the first switch is used when you want to record vocals. So when you switch to -10 decibel, so the sensitivity of this microphone will reduce, so you can record a song. So for that, for vocals, you can turn this switch to -10 decibel. But when you want to record like the instrument or something like that, then you can turn the switch to 0 decibel. So then the sensitivity of this microphone will increase. So the second switch is used to reduce the frequency, and yeah, that's it. And I think it's also used to increase the bass and reduce the bass. And this is made up of metal, the mesh, and on the bottom you can see you need to connect your USB cable. So this one you need to connect like this, I guess, like this, and then you're good to go. Then connect this another end to your computer. So in the later part of the video I'm going to play some of the sample recording samples which I recorded using this microphone. And yeah, I guess that's it guys. And then you need to connect this using this metal nut, and then let me connect this guys. Like this, and then okay, like this, and then you can connect this one to this stand like this. and you're good to go. Then you can record anything with this microphone. So in the later part of the video, guys, I'm going to show some of the sample recording. So the audio you're hearing now is recorded with the CAD U37 microphone. So this is the raw audio, guys, and I have not edited this audio. So in the next part, my brother will be going to play guitar, so and then he's going to sing. So that will be the singing test of this microphone. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. If you want to buy this mic, the link will be in the description box below. And that's it for this video, guys, and I hope to see you in my next video.
तू ही मेरी शब है, सुबह है, तू ही दिन है मेरा, तू ही मेरा रब है, जहाँ है तू ही मेरी दुनिया, तू का दिल मेरे लिए, मैं हूँ तेरा लम्हा, कैसे रहेगा भला मुझसे जुदा। ओ, 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 आंखें तेरी शबनमी, चेहरा तेरा आईना, तू बन गया है मेरे जीने की एक वजह, तेरी हंसी तेरी अदा औरों से है बिल्कुल जुदा। जब जब तेरे पास मैं आया, एक सुकून मिला, जिसे मैं भूलता आया, वो वजूद मिला। जब आए मौसम गम के, तुझे याद किया, जब सहमे तन्हापन से, तुझे याद किया। दिल संभल जा जरा, फिर मोहब्बत करने चला है तू। यही रुक जा जरा, फिर